Okay, so this girl, I was just talking to this girl. I called her a sweetheart, and she just responded. Oh my god, I can't spell. Okay, so we're gonna just troll and trading because why not? Do you wanna do hiding or pageant? Hello? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna hide really quick, and then... Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide and tell people, like, trading our whole inventory away. This is only for, like, entertaining purposes. This isn't, like... We're not, like, actually trying to be rude. This is only for entertainment purposes. So no offense to, like, anybody who actually believes in this and stuff. But, so we're basically going to be hiding and telling people, like, giving our whole inventory away. And just, it's going to be so funny because we've done this multiple times before, and the trick is when they get close to you, you have to reset your character, change into a different outfit, and then hide somewhere else. You never let them see your profile, like your journal, because if they do, then, like, just, it's over. Like, you can't really do anything after that, because then if they ever click on you again, you know. But you always should go to something called YouTube settings, and turn off bubble chat, turn off trade requests, and hide all names. So, yeah. We go over here, and the code area 51, no caps, no spaces. And you get in, and there's usually a chest right here. It's the ISIS UFO. Many people use that as troll. I think that's not funny. It's just kind of boring. Are you going to come in here or not? There's no caps and no spaces. This is a good area to hide. Or, and I'll show you that. So we hide here usually, sometimes, where you can basically sleep. Yeah, I have zero energy, so I'm gonna sleep really quick. Okay, and this is the last place that we usually hide. It's like where people usually do the pageants. You have to basically go over here and go down, and it's like when you spawn in, you just go past that little like thing. Yeah, it's a really long ladder. So should we hide up here? Hold on. We usually reset and then okay. So then this is like the last. This is like what we do. We basically make like all black so like they can't see us. And we go back here, you go to animations, and then you go to sitting, and then you go all the way down. Chill, there's chill, or sleep. I usually do chill, and I usually do either. So, now we're just gonna wait here for a little while and tell people that we're basically like giving them our whole inventory and stuff, and I'll update you when that's done. Oh, okay, okay. I've already... Yes. Ye and. Okay, so two people are going for us right now. And we like just started this. I expected this to take like an hour for people to actually start. But, so, oh my god, somebody's right there. Oh my god, they just dropped. Oh my god, okay, okay. I'll update you when we're near people. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna reset. Oh my god, I can't. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. See, that's what we do. We reset like that. Wait, no, she didn't look back there. Yes, I am. Oh my god, she didn't look back there. That's sad. No. I want to run back up there. I really want to, like, run back up there. I don't. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. I'm not changing. I'm not changing. I'm not changing. I just. Hold on. Okay, okay. I am. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just saw her. I just saw her. I just saw her. Oh my god. This is like an intense game of hide and seek. Is the other one poppy bread? Okay. Okay, I just changed it to an outfit. I just changed it to an outfit. Okay, I'm in the sleeping chambers. I'm in the sleeping chambers. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god, I see one of them. I see one of them. Is that her? Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay, okay. She's like right there. Hold on, hold on. Okay, I just resetted. I opened my thing and reset. Okay, okay. Our spots are not working. We're gonna go to Area 51. Okay. Okay, so we're almost hold on. We're almost there. Oh my god, this thing won't move. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, this girl just... She just walked in. She just walked in. Reset. I'm gonna act like I'm AFK. I'm gonna act like I'm AFK. Okay, I just want... Yeah, I'm gonna hide into the chambers, or whatever. The sleeping chambers. Okay. Okay, oh my god. Offering lol 8K of... Wow, that... Sensor. Oh my god, this thing will... Okay, well... I want to trade somebody. Okay. Okay, so we moved places. This is a glitch, basically. I'm gonna say yes. Hit him with the maybe, am I right? Oh my god. Okay, update. I accidentally just typed something in front of some people, and then I had to, like, reset and come back here. Hold on. Oh, I'm recording dead. Anyways, so we just got in the sleeping chambers, and now we're gonna stay here. They just asked if we're in a glitched place. I wouldn't really call this glitched. I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna go into a different one. They're like, are you hiding your username? No. Maybe. It's not letting me type maybe. We're just typing maybe. That's all they get. That's legit all they get. Frog emoji. Shrug. Oh my god. I think this girl's right outside my thing. Was that you? Oh my god. I know, but I can't. Okay, okay, she just... I opened the pod for her. Hold on, come out and let me... Oop. Wait, our trades are disabled. Hold on. The other girl. Yeah. Okay. So they just found us. Um, I'm gonna put that in, I'm gonna put that in, I'm gonna put Winter Guardian, I'm giving like all of my stuff for the Shadow Empress set and stuff. Pop Star, um, here, you can. She said, "Is this real?" And I said, "Maybe." Hold on, I wanna. Don't answer it. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So I'm giving her Baby Doll Adorable Dress, Batmo Heels, Cherry Blossom Skirt, Cottage Princess, Crystal Eyes, DD Heels, Fluttering Butterfly Skirt, High School and Lacy Boots and Socks, Infernal Bat, Ivy Pumpkins, Magical Witch Hat, Midnight Strike, like the Pop Star set, Mini Skirt, Chicken Heels, Most of Shadow Empress, Winter Guardian, my skirts, 150. Yeah, petite. I know. I'm not actually gonna give it to her. Anyways, I left the game. Hold on. Actually, no. I don't want to leave the game. Hold on. Let me just reset. Let me just reset. I reset. Hold on. I reset. Now they're kicking my head. Liar! I knew it. Hold on. Let me move it. I knew it. Liar! Pants on fire. Hold on. I wanna go in front of them with a different outfit on. Hold on, let's go right in front of them. Let's go right in front of them. I looked for so long, bruh. And yet you failed. I looked for so long. And yet you failed still. I said that again. Anyways, exactly, why would you even do that, lol? Oh my god, I see them. I'm chasing them, bro. I'm chasing them. XD. Wait, one of them is like, has no items. Hold on. One of them is a level 75. Okay, yeah, they just got trading. Okay, anyways, you can't even spell funny. You can't even oh my god. Hold on, let me do this. She said, you can't even spell, you can't even spell funny right. Lol. Lol. Okay, so that was our terrible interaction of trading. Never get it, guys. Don't farm in this. Don't give Common Bob money. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, we're terrible people. Like, IRL, we're just terrible people trying to make money off of this. B? We didn't know how good your inventory was. I put like I put 3 sets in, well, almost 3 at least. I put almost 3 sets in, and I put all my diamonds and stuff. Wow, my inventory wasn't good, am I right? Okay, well, whatever. Okay, so that's just our goodbye. She's not like she's so glitchy. Anyways, so that's Diana and Be Pleasure for y'all. There wasn't really an intro, but this is, I guess, the outro. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good. There will be a huge spider. yeah, both of those things will happen. Anyway, subscribe and like, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.